our charms. She's gonna tell us how we can make our 2012 full of luck. Let's go! Hello, Miss Nanette! How are you?
I'm okay.
Alright, so, wow, you're ready, huh?
Yes.
Okay, so we want to know how we can make our 2012 full of luck. Ano ba yung mga, is there any pamantra or, you know, a lucky charm that we can use and bring with us every day so that we can enhance our luck for the year of the Black Water Dragon? Is that correct?
Actually, Year of the Water Dragon.
Year of the Water Dragon.
Yes.
Alright. So, how can we make our 2012 even luckier?
Okay, before anything, the Water Dragon is very challenging this year. Like Year of the Tiger before.
Oh my!
Kaso maraming mga pagsubok, and then it helps, the Water Dragon will help us to overcome our problems and to help us to find our position. Yung sinasabi niya yung kung ano yung lucky, kung lucky northeast, southwest, like that, yung position ng lucky charm mo, at saka through your birthday, at saka sa zodiac sign mo.
Ayan. So, in general, ano ba yung pwedeng, kasi if we're gonna talk about it ng person, medyo mahaba.
Oo,
because yung forecast mo will be revealed sa ating lifestyle section sa article po dito sa Easy Rock website. Well, ngayon, what I want to know is, ano ba yung mga charms na pwedeng gamitin in general ng kahit na anong sign?
Okay. First of all, the best talaga is the lucky coin. For good luck for money. You just put cotton and 50 peso bill here. January 23 at 8 a.m. Para pagpasok ng Year of the Dragon, hindi ka nawawala ng pera.
Alright.
Yeah. Why cotton? Kasi yung cotton magaan. Para magaan ang pasok ng swerte at pera. And then 50 peso bill is the lucky color of Chinese, red. Kaya para good luck.
Wow.
This is for good luck for money.
Ilalagay yan sa wallet?
Sa wallet lang siya. Tapos, this one, which is Year of the Dragon kasi maraming mga inggit, robbery, so you need mandala. Lagi mo lang siyang dala. Para hindi ka rin lapitin sa mga aksidente.
Mandala na laging dala.
Yes. Sa bag or sa wallet mo.
I think I need that one.
Yes.
Okay.
And then tissue card, it's also for the money. Lalo na pag may business ka.
Alright.
Lalo na pag nasa sales ka. Yan. And then, this one naman, sa politics, sa mga government natin, sa mga leaders natin. Kasi actually, this Year of the Dragon, magkakaproblema tayo sa mga leaders natin.
Ako, politika.
Maraming mga magrarally.
Oh my!
Yes.
That sounds very challenging.
Mas lalo pang magrarally this year. And then this one, it's kasi every year naman talaga, itong 12 animals namin, luck everything. Lahat ng year nandito na at lahat ng pampaswerte. Ang maganda lang dito, kasi jade siya, pag may nararamdaman ka sa katawan, nababawasan because of the jade. For example, masakit ang ulo mo, nababawasan. Tsaka marami nagsabi sa amin na pag hindi nila suot to, parang hindi kumpleto yung araw nila.
Alright.
Yes. This one, because it's Year of the Dragon. So, kung gusto mong magkaroon ng maraming pera, you have to wear this one because dragon is a money catcher. And then takes away bad lucks. Yan. And this one, if you're Year of the Dragon, or rooster, monkey, and rat, you have to wear this one. Kasi, which is, ang dragon, kaibigan ng rooster, monkey, and rat, para tulungan ka matupad yung pangarap mo this year.
Oh, great.
And then, ikaw yung lapitin sa mga inggit din, chismis, mga intriga. So, you need 5 bats DCI.
Okay.
Magkasama dapat sila.
Si
Yan.
Dragon siya kasi 5 bats. Okay.
And then,
maraming sign yung pwedeng magsuot. Okay.
Ito yung Dragon DZI, kailangan dito ng mga Year of the Rooster, Snake, Ox, Monkey, and Rat. Para tulungan din matupad yung pangarap nila. Kasi swerte din sila this year. Though may mga months silang hindi maganda. So, kailangan nila to. And then, para sa health nila. And this, ito, common na rin doon. Every year talaga meron ito. Ang meaning nito, kasama yung mga kaibigan. For example, your Year of the Ox. Ito yung Year of the Ox. Kasama niya yung secret friend niya na rat, rooster, and snake. Para magtulungan sila na maganda yung pagpasok sa'yo ng year. If you're Year of the Ox.
Okay.
Pero kung Year of the Dragon ka, ang dapat dragon, rooster, monkey, and rat.
Alright.
And then this one, ito yung mga keychain for this year. Meron para sa health. This is 5 element pagoda with Tree of Life.
With Tree of Life.
Yes. This is Pia with swording, this is flaming swording, tawag nun, yung sa swording flame. Ang meaning naman ito para paalis sa mga, kasi ang Year of the Sheep, okay siya, pero lapitin sa mga cases, mga kaso. So, ito yung pangontra nila.
Okay.
Yes. And this one, luck coin. Ang luck coin, it's, which is ang Year of the Dragon, madaling pumasok ang pera, madali din lumabas. So, kung magastos ka at feeling mo talagang mabilis lumabas ang pera sa'yo, so you need luck coin. Lagi mong dala.
I guess everybody needs that
Yes.
luck coin. Alright.
And then this one, the Rui, this is for success, promotion. Lalo na pag gusto mo ma-promote this year. Authority, yan. And then dragon for money catcher also, and then takes away bad lucks. And rhinoceros, this is for the year of the monkey, rat, tiger, sheep, and dog.
Alright.
Yes. And this one is for the year of the rabbit. Kasi ang rabbit medyo mahina yung pasok sa kanila ng pera. So kailangan nila ng lucky wallet.
Ng lucky wallet.
Yes.
Okay. By the way, dito sa mga keychains, saan siya pwede isapit? Where can the buyers put it? Like on the keys ba? Sa bag, you know? Kasi maraming pwedeng pinagsasabitan ng keychain.
Actually, kahit saan, basta lagi mo lang siyang dala. Pwede sa bag or sa susi ng coach.
Ano yung pinaka-ideal?
For me kasi sa bag yun.
Sa bag.
Kung may car, sa car key.
Okay.
Oo. And then this is the dragon. For the year of the dragon, you just place this in your receiving area of your business or in your house. Para nagtatawag siya ng swerte. For the lahat ng year except dog and rabbit.
Okay.
Kasi kontre.
So how are they going to position this? Is it like nasa pagpasok pala ng pinto, kailangan nakabungad na siya?
Yes, nakikita na kagad siya.
Alright.
Para nagtatawag na siya ng swerte. At kinukontra niya na yung bad lucks.
Great.
Pero for the year of the rabbit and dog, hindi siya pwede. Ang kailangan niya, it's a food dog. Oo.
Alright. So there you go. These are just a few of the lucky charms that, you know, everyone can get for the Chinese New Year. Or the mas maganda before the Chinese New Year comes in.
Actually,
right?
January 22.
January
Kasi
22.
January 23 is the Chinese New Year. So January 22, kailangan meron ka ng ganito. Para ma-display mo na siya ng January 23 at 8 a.m. or 6 a.m.
Now let's talk about the preparation for the Chinese New Year countdown. Miss Nanette would like to know more about it. Is there any preparation or any kind of ritual that, you know, all the Feng Shui fans can do to enhance their luck for 2012? Especially yung mga, I heard may mga mahihinang signs daw this year. Yung mga hindi daw masyado swerte.
Yes.
Though I don't wanna put it that way. Pero yun, ang sabi nga medyo mahina na daw sila this year. Ano ba yung pwede nilang gawin?
Yes. Actually, ayoko sabihin yung malas. It's mahina na lang.
Okay.
Ang mahina kasi it's year of the dog and rabbit.
Oh my.
So, January 22, before Chinese New Year, this one you have to put like this one bowl of coins. For example, this is 1 peso coin, 5 peso coin, or if you have dollar coins, you just put in one bowl, and then this is the dog, rabbit, tiger, and horse.
Okay.
Para magtulungan sila, which is mahina kasi ang dog and rabbit.
Okay.
So, kailangan niya ng tiger and horse para ma-overcome nila yung mga problems na darating sa kanila. And then, sa pera naman, you have to put 50 peso bill kasi ang lucky color ng Chinese is red. And then, cotton para magaang ang pasok sa kanila.
Alright.
Yun yung pangontra nila. Pero in general, except lang ang Year of the Dog and Rabbit, ang ilalagay po natin, itong lucky object.
Yan naman yung in preparation for yung mga signs na in general naman.
Yes, like lahat ng year,
Lahat ng year
except
pwede.
dog and rabbit. Ito. Lahat ng mga pampaswerte. Frog, holo, dragon, and then the pineapple. Turtle for health and long life. This one for success, money, and then love and harmony, happiness, wealth. Dragon, money catcher, takes away bad lucks, bad energy, bad spirits. This is for safety, protection, good health, prosperity, success, money again. And this one, money catcher also. Yan ang lalagay mo pagpasok ng January 23. So, pre-prepared mo siya ng January 22 at 12 o'clock.
12 o'clock in the afternoon.
Midnight.
Midnight, okay.
Yes. Huwag mo na siyang tatanggalin hanggang January 23 ng
Okay.
gabi rin.
Okay.
Pero, mas maganda rin ilagay mo na lang siya ng buong 2012.
Oh, why
Basta
not?
ilalagay mo lang siya January 22, midnight. And then, yung mga lucky fruits like dragon fruits, pineapple, anything green, red, and yellow na fruits.
By the way, green, red, and yellow, are those the lucky colors for this year?
Yes.
Oh, take note, green, red, and yellow.
Yes.
That means we should add a lot of those colors in our wardrobe. Alright. So there you go. This is for the majority of the signs who would like to enhance your luck for this
Yes.
year. And by the way, are these charms are all available here?
In Lucky Gold Star Charms.
Okay, can you please again invite all our website visitors to visit your shop here at SM Hypermarket in Pasig?
Okay, please do come if you want to be luckier this year or luckiest this year in SM Supercenter Pasig, Lucky Gold Star Charms, along C5 or SM Mega Mall, along EDSA. And then you can contact me through 0919-519-4227 and 0906-331-9808. And my landline is 022-905-546.
Alright. There you have it. You just heard from our Feng Shui expert, our Feng Shui consultant, Miss Nanette Ginto Esguerra from Lucky Gold Star Charms right here at SM Hypermarket Pasig. Thank you so much, Miss Nanette.
Thank you,
Thank you. And Happy New Year, Kung Hei Fat Choy. Tama ba? Kung Hei
Yes.
Fat Choy? Thank you so much. By the way, she gave us a Lucky Charms. Thank you.
All Charms bracelet.
Oo, All Charms bracelet. Swerte daw kasi gift niya sa akin. So, maswerte siya. Ayan. Thank you so much. Happy New Year. Happy Chinese New Year to all.
Be happy. Leave your worries behind. Leave your worries behind. Sing along, sing along, sing along with the music. Ooh, yeah. Oh. Sing along.